Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about dictionaries, right? Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. In this video, we are going to discuss about functions. See the agenda? What are functions, advantages of functions, and how to use the functions, and finally an example program, that is code to find simple interest. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you learn something from this video, please support me. Please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. First, what are functions? Function is defined as block of code which is organized, reusable, and used to perform a specified action only once when it is called. For large programming project to be successful, it is essential to repeat the code. We have already looked at one way of doing this by using loops, while loops, for loops, right? In this video, we will explore the second one, that is functions. The advantages of functions. First, reuse of the code. By using functions, we can reuse the code. We write the code inside the function and we can call the function how many times we want. Next, reducing the duplication of code. As I said now, we can reuse the code. So we don't need to write the code many times. By that, we can reduce the duplication of code. Next, decomposing complex problem into simpler pieces. Whenever we are working on complex problem, we can decompose the problem. We can make the problem into smaller pieces. We can cut the problem into smaller pieces, and each piece is assigned into a function. Each piece is written in a function. Like that, we can decompose the complex problem into simpler pieces. By that, the clarity of the code also increases. That is the next one, improving clarity of the code. These are some advantages of functions. Next, how to use functions. First, creating function. In Python, function is created or defined by using def keyword. See the syntax: def, function name, and in the round brackets we have to give parameters. We can call parameters or arguments, both are same, and colon. And inside this function we have to write whatever code we want, and at last we have to call the function name, and in the brackets we have to give parameters or arguments. So the example, this is my sublime, and here I want to create a function f. My function name is person, and here I will take name and age, okay, and inside print name and print age. Here I'll call the function person with name basha and with age 200. That's for fun. Okay, I'm going to run this, and basha and 200 are printed. Now I'll explain with another example. Now def add a comma b, c is equal to a plus b. To make the function return a value, we use return keyword. See here, return c, and finally I call the function. Here result is equal to add, and I give values as 2, 3, right? And I'm going to run this. See, 5 is printed. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? That's why 5 is printed. Here, this a comma b, this a comma b are called formal arguments, and here this 2 comma 3, these 2 comma 3 are called actual arguments. Okay. In this example, 2 is assigned to a and 3 is assigned to b. The order is important here. If you don't know the order, then we do like this. See here, I will show you another example. Person, name, comma, age, print, name, print, age. To call this function, if you don't know the order, you can give like this. Name is equal to basha, comma, age is equal to 100. We can give like this. See, basha and 100 are printed. If you don't give this in order, for example, if you give like this, 200 and the name is equal to basha. See, it works. When we don't know the order, we use like this to call the function. In the arguments, if you know one value, you can use like this also. If we know age is equal to 100, we can give like this also. Here we remove the age and we simply give name. I change the name to show you the change. See, it's printed. We can give like this also. If you know an argument, we can give like this. Okay. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Finally, code to find simple interest by using these functions. Here, for example, a person deposit 4,000 rupees at a bank at an interest rate of 4.5% per year. How much interest will the person earn at the end of 3 years? For this problem, I write the code. Okay. Function to defining function. My function name is simple interest. Okay. And here I'll take three parameters, P, T and R. Principal amount, time and rate of interest. We all know that to find simple interest, the formula is PTR by 100. P is principal amount, T is time and R is rate of interest. Okay. Simple interest is equal to P into T into R divided. Okay. And return SI. Okay. And here I'm going to call that simple interest, and as I said before, 4,000 rupees, time is 3 years and the rate of interest is 4.5. Okay. Okay. Finally, I'm going to print this. Print simple interest is comma. Oh yes, right. See, this simple interest is 540 rupees. Okay. For example, here I will take another values. One is equal to simple interest. For example, here I give 10,000 for 2 years. For rate of interest 2.3. See here. For this case, the simple interest is 460 rupees. Okay. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.